a double knit medium weight 4 ply wool and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. For long or shirt, make a chains loop and make chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40. Make a chains 40 50 for long or small size. Make a chains 40. 1 2 3 4 into 4th chain, make a double crochet, 2 chains, single crochet, post of the same double crochet stitch, make a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, single crochet, post of the double crochet stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, 2 chains, single crochet, post of the same double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 chains, single crochet, post of the double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 chains, single crochet, post of the double crochet stitch, double crochet, 2 chains and single crochet, post of the double crochet stitch, double crochet, next stitch, 2 chains and single crochet, post of the double crochet stitch, double crochet, 2 chains, single crochet, double crochet in the next stitch, 2 chains, single crochet, post of the double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 chains, single crochet, post of the double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 chains and single crochet, same post of the double crochet stitch. Continue and follow the same work across till the last stitch.